I'm here to celebrate Bali's birthday. I am a panda addict. I've been coming since Taishan, the first panda cub that survived here in 2005. So I've been coming since then. Bali, thank you for all the smiles you bring to our face, for you and to Bao also. They're both pretty amazing.
I saw you wore a panda shirt, so are you a panda fan?
Yes, I actually live right near the zoo here, and I've been watching the pandas here ever since the first ones came, Ling Ling and Xing Xing. Well, I mean, I was a kid then, so it was a lot of fun. Pandas are great. So, of course, happy birthday to him, and we'll see him here for another 10 years.